Good morning. My name is Ms. Ziznik, and I teach ELD and Algebra 1 at Southwest Junior High. I'm going to be looking over day 37 with you on the AMI packet. It says, making a difference in your neighborhood makes a difference in everyone's life. Research shows helping others not only makes you happier, but also healthier. Take a walk and look around. Are there neighbors that could use some help? What does your neighborhood need? Are there small things you could do from your house that could help someone feel happier and appreciated? Many community improvement projects were started by students just like you. So I want you to just think about this for a second. Our assignment or our idea right now is thinking of ways we can make our community better. Now, our community could be the people that we live with, our family and friends that we haven't seen in a little while because of our quarantine, or it could be the people that you see on the road or the people that live in the same neighborhood as you. So think about what needs there are in your community, whatever your community looks like. From there, we're going to do 3 things. 1, collect 3 to 5 ideas of what your community would benefit from. They can be big or small ideas. 2, interview 5 people or more in your community. Ask them to rank your ideas in order of importance to them. You can call your teacher, friends, family members, etc. And lastly, you'll decide on the top 2 ideas that would benefit your community. So I've made a little list here. And it says, the first column says, what I noticed my community needs. So I'm just gonna brainstorm a little bit of what I've experienced during quarantine and some of the great things that I've seen other people do. Maybe this can give you some ideas of what you can do or inspire you to take some action and help the people around you. I have a friend who has sent me letters in the mail. So if you would like, you could send letters in the mail to your friends or family. And these should be maybe encouraging letters or nice letters, sweet letters. Let's see, another thing that I've seen is a lot of you guys have been helping take care of your siblings, your nieces or nephews, you could say family members. And this could be helping with homework or just babysitting. That's something great that I've seen. And again, your community isn't necessarily your whole neighborhood. Your community could be your family community, your friend community, things like that. You can think about the homeless population, maybe in Springdale or Fayetteville in this area, and maybe there's a way that you and your family could help take care of them. Something that I like to do is I like to make care packages. Let me write this down. For people who are experiencing homelessness, and then whenever I'm driving, I've got a little package to give them. And this doesn't look like a real word, but I hope I spelled it correctly. Let's see. What else do I like to do? Or what else have other people done for me? You could get a gift card for a teacher or someone that you appreciate. Last week was teacher appreciation. Maybe you could help your parents out around the house. Maybe you could help with chores, or maybe do something that isn't usually your responsibility. And then maybe you could help take care of an older person's lawn or walk their animals for them. People have been donating food. to the school, for people who for students who need it at home. There are all sorts of things that you can be doing right now, but these are just some ideas that I've been thinking of. So once you're finished with your list, you might take that list and go ask a friend, a family member, or whoever. I might take this list and take it to my mom, and I say, Mom, will you help me? Or I could ask my brother. My brother's name is Jeremiah. Maybe Jeremiah, I say, hey, which ones do you think is most important? He says, you know what? I think it'd be super helpful if you could watch my daughter for me. So please, number 2 is most important to me. Help take care of my family members, or help them with homework. He said, also, I've noticed that a lot of people don't have food or clothing right now. So I think it's really important to do that. Number 5 is next most important. He said, you know what? Our mom really needs a letter in the mail. Do you think you could send her a letter? I think that's really important. 3, he said that maybe it's really important for him to take care of people who are experiencing homelessness. And lastly, helping with chores. Maybe that's how my brother ranked it. 2, 3, 2, 5, 1, 3, 4. So the numbers that go over here, he's going to put in order right here. And so I'm going to ask 5 different people, maybe my mom, my brother, my grandma, my teacher, a friend. And then whenever you're finished, you're going to choose, you can base it off of your own preference, or you can choose based on what your family and friends think is the most important. And you'll write here, my top important one, or my most favorite ones are, I'm going to take care of my sister. And I'm also going to work to donate food. And maybe I should put that down here. Oh no. Let's see. And I don't want you guys to feel limited by this. Instead of just donating food, maybe you can organize a food drive. Instead of helping with chores just in your family, maybe you can organize a group of people to go and help other families with their chores if they're struggling right now. Instead of making care packages for people experiencing homelessness, maybe you can make care packages with a large group of people, or organize something great. And I want you guys to think as big as you can, or think about whatever works best for you right now, and think how you can best serve your community in this time of need. As soon as you finish that, we've got our final project entry. What are the projects I'm considering? You can use your chart, you can make a graph or write descriptions, and you can use a sentence frame. The projects I am considering are blank. I'm considering this because that. I'm considering this because that. And those are just to help you. You don't necessarily have to use those. Please reach out if you need anything, and I am looking forward to hearing your ideas and reading what you have to write. And please reach out to me or your other teachers to rank your ideas in order of importance to us. I hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully I'll hear from you soon.